Hi, my name is Dr. Phillip Zada. I am the founder and managing director of Z Ware, and thank you for joining us for our October 2022 Z Ware TechCast. In local news, the recent Optus hack is still making all the headlines. Optus announced it had been a victim of a sophisticated cyber attack targeting customer data. There are conflicting statements, but Optus has described that the hack employed multiple European IP addresses that kept changing during the hack, whereas Home Affairs Minister Claire O'Neill asserts the attack was a basic hack using an unprotected API. Information stolen includes full name, date of birth, phone number, email address, and personal documents. So what does this hold for the future of personal identification? This breach has raised many questions in the industry and has also prompted a lot of organizations to assess and audit their security strategies and implementations. Many industry experts and government officials have weighed in on the matter, with some calling for a single national identification service, which in itself has raised questions about whether a single system would be more susceptible to attack. In tech news, this month marks the 10th birthday for the popular programming language TypeScript. Initially greeted with skepticism, Microsoft's TypeScript programming language truly changed the landscape of JavaScript development by enabling powerful tools like type checking and rich developer experiences. Unveiled in October 2012, the TypeScript team and Microsoft Technical Fellow and father of C#, Anders Hejlsberg, describes it as a superset of JavaScript that brought static typing to the dynamic typed language. The goal was to catch errors faster and extend JavaScript from building web pages to larger scale applications running in the browser, devices, and the cloud. TypeScript currently sits as the fourth most loved language in Stack Overflow's annual survey. Finally, our tech to check this month is Bicep. Bicep is a domain-specific language that uses a declarative syntax to deploy Azure resources. In a nutshell, Bicep allows you to define the infrastructure you want to deploy and use that file throughout the development lifecycle to repeatedly deploy your infrastructure. Bicep was introduced to simplify JSON templates when setting up infrastructure and services in Azure. Bicep incidentally transpires into its JSON predecessor when submitting to Azure Resource Manager. Bicep comes with a full range of goodies, including support for all resource types and API versions, simple syntax, enhanced authoring experience using VS Code extensions, orchestration, modularity, and even what-if operations. An extensive getting started guide is available at learn.microsoft.com. As always, if you have found this TechCast helpful, would like to have a chat, or have experiences you'd like to share, you can connect with us by visiting zware.au/connect, follow us on our socials, or join us in one of our meetup groups to keep up to date about our upcoming talks, informational videos, workshops, and hackathons. My name is Dr. Phillip Zada, and this has been another Z Ware TechCast. See you next time.